Namaste students. Today I am going to teach you subject General Science. In General Science, we will study the next part of chapter 8, pollution. Here, air pollutants, sources and effects. See this table. First column serial number, second column air pollutants, third column sources and fourth column effects. Here first sulfur dioxide SO2 sources factories where coal and mineral oil used as a fuel. Effect irritation of eyes, respiratory tract, excess mucus, cough and breath. Second carbon monoxide CO vehicular and industrial smoke, lowered O2 carrying capacity of blood, oxides of nitrogen. Sources vehicular smoke, irritation of respiratory tract and lungs. Fourth, particulate matter, vehicular and industrial smoke affect respiratory diseases. Fifth, dust, vehicular and industrial smoke affect silicosis. Sixth, pesticides, production and use of pesticides affect mental weakness, death due to prolonged exposure. Seventh, methane CH4, source industrial leakage, effects poisoning, skin cancer, asthma, respiratory diseases. Rostever industrial accident had been occurred in Bhopal on the night of 2nd December 1984. 8,000 people had been died due to accidental gas leakage. Collecting more information about Bhopal gas accident, discuss the nature of accident, reasons, after effects, preventive measures. Effect of air pollution on plants and animals. Plants. First, stomata get closed. Second, slowing down of rate of photosynthesis. Third, growth is retarded, leaves falls off or became yellow. Animals. First, respiration is adversely affected. Second, irritation of eyes. What is the importance of ozone layer? Ozone layer protect all the living things on the earth from ultraviolet rays. What are the reasons to depletion in ozone layer? There are many reasons. Industries and vehicular smoke releases in air. As the result, there are some holes formed on ozone layer. Effects of air pollution on plants and animals. Depletion in ozone layer. Earlier we have studied that ozone layer is present below the stratosphere at the height of 40 kilometers from the earth's surface. It protects the living world of the earth from ultraviolet rays UVB radiating from the sun. However, nowadays ozone layer is getting depleted due to the following reasons. Greenhouse effect and global warming. Though CO2 is present in very less quantity in atmosphere, it plays very important role of absorption of solar heat. Over the last 100 years, proportion of CO2 has been increased due to industrialization. Effect of this CO2 on the earth's temperature is nothing but greenhouse effect. Similar to the CO2, nitrous oxide, methane and CFC also trap the heat. Collectively, these are called as greenhouse gases. Global temperature is gradually increased due to the greenhouse effect. Due to this, atmosphere is a changing, causing disturbance in agriculture yield, distribution of wild animals. Iceberg and glaciers are melting, causing increase in sea level. Acid rain. Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen are released into atmosphere through burning of coal, timber and fuel oil. Those oxides mix with rainwater and form acid like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, nitrous acid, etc. These acids mix with raindrops and snowflakes and came down as a rain called as a acid rain. Effects of acid rain. First, acidity of soil and water bodies increases due to acid rain. It harms the aquatic organisms, plants and the entire forest life. Total ecosystem are adversely affected. Second, erosion of buildings, bust, historic monuments, bridges, metal idols, metal idols, wire fences, etc. occur due to acid rain. Third, heavy metals like mercury and cadmium are absorbed up by plants and thereby enter the food chain indirectly due to acid rain. Fourth, due to acidification of water in water bodies and pipes, leaching of metals and plastic material occur in the water and thereby serious health problems arise. Preventive measures of air pollution. First, smoke emerging from factories contains harmful particles. Hence, pollution controlling machinery should be used, arrestor and filters. Second, proper disposal of stinking waste generated in cities. Third, control on atomic test, chemical weapons, etc. Fourth, control and ban over CFC production. Thanks for watching this video.